Today on Hemorrhoids.net we're going to take a look at a little app called Dropbox. You may well have already heard about it. It's basically just an app which helps you sync files from your computer to your phone, really. Very simple. I open it up, here's all the files I keep in my Dropbox. If I add files to that, it'll appear, uploads it, and I can then access from my computer, and vice versa. If I add a file on my computer, it will appear on my phone. So if, for example, battery test, I've been doing a little bit of battery testing, it contacts Dropbox, it downloads the file, opens up in Sheet to Go for me, and there's my data. If we then look at my computer behind us, there's my Dropbox icon. I open it up and I've got battery test there. I can open that up obviously in Excel, and there it is, exactly the same file. If I edit it on here, it'll upload it again, and when I then open up my phone, it'll be uploaded, and vice versa. One of the things I like, even if I go in from my computer, so I don't use my Dropbox link, as you have like your desktop and downloads, as you can see there, look, Dropbox, and I can go straight into it. Where has it gone? Battery test there at the top. I seem to have found a bit of a bug though. If we come back to the phone, I made, when I was preparing for the review, I was playing around and I made a folder, called it test, as you can see, and I even made a file in there myself. It appeared on the computer version. I then deleted it on the computer version, and it stays here on the phone. There's no kind of long press to activate any kind of menu. There's nothing in here. I mean, all it says is refresh. If let's come back out. If I refresh, so I don't really show you the actual menu then. So there's no kind of, all I've got is refresh, and I can't delete things away, and the test folder is still there. But when I go to Dropbox on my computer, as you can see, the test folder isn't there. So I then thought, okay, well, it's storing them somewhere on the phone. So I went into a file explorer, and we can see there it is, Dropbox. So I go into Dropbox, and there was a folder called test with the file in it, so I deleted away on the file explorer, but it still shows up in Dropbox. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. I seem to be stuck with that particular folder with no way of removing it, but maybe they'll fix that in a patch at some point. I'll probably send a bug report for them, see what they reply. But anyway, all in all, for me it seems to be the best way to sync files from your computer to your phone totally wirelessly. You can be at work, you can be wherever, and you can edit files, and then when you get home, there they'll be, and you can edit again. In the comments there will be a link that you can use that will give me an extra 250 meg. You get 2 gigabytes free, which I think is pretty sufficient. I mean, it's not, for my phone, I'm not going to have files that are going to fill 2 gig up online, but if you use the referral code, you get an extra 250 gig as well. And that's it really, Dropbox. It's a nice app all in all. Like I say, it's very simple. What more do you expect? Sort of thing. It has still got some work to do. It's not all that old, so I assume they'll be releasing things where you'll be able to sort of hold, and it'll spring up saying delete or whatever. But until then, I don't know, I'll have to try and work out what they've done wrong there. That's it really, Dropbox. Hemorrhoids.net.